Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location. Please, my people, I have a good news to share with you guys. Because without you guys, I wouldn't have been here today. Thank you, my followers. Thank you, my fans. Thank you, my subscribers. The people that used to comment on my post, the people that used to share my post. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been here. I have a good news for you. I am supposed to be in pain up till now, but thank God for YouTube. Thank God for you guys as well. I want to use this opportunity to thank every of my subscribers, everybody that has been there for me. The good news is that my YouTube channel has been monetized. You know, if you watch, the last video that I made was about 4 hours ago. Then after making that video, then I waited, then I decided to go and take my bath. After taking my bath, I came out. Only to saw this particular message that I'm about to show you now. I am very, very excited. I'm very, very happy for you guys. You guys brought me to this place. And if not for the crash of COTP, I'm not saying that I'm happy that COTP crashed. If not for the SMS problem, I wouldn't have owned a YouTube account. I wouldn't have owned my personal YouTube account. The YouTube account I'm using before was the one that I'm managing for somebody. But if you watch, I made a video before telling my followers to, you can start up this now that COTP stuff is trending, that you can sign up for YouTube so that, because the topic is hot, people are searching for it. I advise my followers that you can do so. You can sign up for YouTube and start posting updates. Then after saying that, some people joined while some people did not. But now, just let me say, it's about 1 week now that I start posting COTP updates, and I have reached YouTube requirement, and I'm even monetized, my people. I'm monetized. YouTube have monetized me. So I want to share the good news with you. Let me show you the message they sent to me this morning. The message they sent to me in the morning. Look at it. I come to my Gmail here. If you can see very well, you can see. Congratulations. You have been approved to join the YouTube Partner Program. That is what they sent to me. That is it. Look at it. Congratulations. Your YouTube channel, Luziro Media, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program and is now able to monetize on YouTube. Without you guys, I wouldn't have been here. So, my people, I'm very, very happy. I'm very, very happy about everything. God want to use this one to console me based on the amount that I've lost on COTP. So that is it, my people. So if you can see very well now, I want to show you something now. This is the YouTube channel. This is my YouTube channel, the Luziro Media that you know. This is the channel. Look at, I started posting updates 7 days ago about COTP. You can see very well this particular one now. This particular one that I just highlighted, it was posted 7 days ago. Look at it. 7 days ago. And I have 3,400 views on it. Then, if you are coming down, you can see another one, COTP update. Everything that I posted here is about COTP, and it gave me view. It helped me to monetize my channel. It helped me to reach YouTube requirement. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. Now, my pains are not much because I will start making money from YouTube. I want to thank everybody who has been there for me, who has been commenting positively, who has been commenting positively to my channel, who has been helping me to like and to share. I owe you guys a lot. As you can see, all the updates here is about Cotp, and the update gave me what I wanted. I am very, 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 very much excited. Though I face so much challenges, it's not easy, but it's easy. If you have God, you will be there as well. As you can see, look at the post I've made. Everything is about Cotp. Everything is about Cotp. Everything. So my people, thank you very much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I am very, very much happy this time around. I've moved on. Moved on already, as you can see. So God will bless each and every one of you for helping me, for watching my videos, for doing everything that will make my channel got monetized. Thank you very much. I still remain Luzero Media. Please keep on watching my videos. Please, I beg you in the name of God. Like I usually promise, very soon, any update that I see, I'll be sharing it here. Any update that I see, I'll be sharing it here so that each of us will learn how to make money online. And I will always look for to legit way of making money to share with you guys. But I know no platform is 100% legit. Even banks do fail sometimes and fold. So everything that we're doing might be 50% risk. Every investment, every online business, most of them are 50%, some are even 70% risk. So that is it. My people, thank you once again. Thank you. God bless you. If you have not subscribed, if this is your first time, please subscribe. Just show us love by subscribing to this channel. My God will bless you guys. God bless you. I love you all. Thank you. Bye bye.